I see.
Hey y'all, I visited the Dubai Miracle Garden and it was one of the most amazing creative displays I have ever seen. I've never been to Disney World or Disneyland, but after experiencing the Dubai Miracle Garden, I don't think I need to see Disney World or Disneyland. Okay, I'm actually joking, but the Miracle Garden was such a unique experience with larger than life structures that incorporated the most beautiful plants and over 150 million flowers. The Dubai Miracle Garden is open from October to the end of April, so it's a seasonal attraction. It's definitely a place you need to